Hello guys, so today we are going to take a look at the Coulomb's law, which we are going to use for calculate the magnitude of the electrostatic force. So uh, just like in the previous video, let's take a look at the Coulomb's law. We use Coulomb's law to calculate the magnitude of the electrostatic force between 2 point charges. So let me paraphrase the law first, then let's have a look at the equation. So uh, the law goes like this. The magnitude of the electrostatic force between 2 point charges Q1 and Q1 is directly proportional to the product of the magnitudes of the charges and inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. So that's the law. So let's take a look at the equation. So in this equation you can see we have Q1, Q2, and we have the forces you call F1 and F2. So according to the Coulomb's law, this F1 and F2 is equal, and it is proportional for this force is proportional for the multiplication of these two charges. So, and it is inversely proportional for the square of the distance between those charges. So that's what states in the Coulomb's law. And if you can remember the law of gravitation by Newton, so this law is also quite similar to that one. Even in that equation we had a constant, which was the gravitational constant. In here it is the Coulomb constant, and also we had the masses of the two objects. In here it's the charges of each charge, and in here it's the charge of each charge. So in here it's the magnitude of this each charge, and same just like in the gravitational law, it is proportional, inversely proportional for the square of the distance between the charges. The like charges repel each other and the opposite charges mutually attract. So the gravitation law, the gravitational force is always attractive force, but the electrostatic force is not always attractive. So just like in this figurine, you can see the positive charges are repelling each other, and the ones have opposite charges going to attract. So this is the law. So let's take a look at the simulation. I have used red color for positive charges, and I have used blue color for negative charges. And here I have the C# script called charge, which is going to implement the Coulomb's law. So if we take a look at the script, so it is quite simple. So I have this K constant, which is the constant, the Coulomb constant, and so I'm getting this each charge, and in here I'm getting the distance between the two charges, and in here I'm calculating the electrostatic force, the magnitude of that force, and I'm here in the end I'm applying that force. So that's the script. So let's take a look at the animation. So First, I have two negative charges, and each of them has a negative 2 point magnitude of charge. And yeah, so they basically both the uh, charges are same. So if you run this simulation, since this each of these so if I ran the so if I ran this so so if I run this simulation, this positive charge should repelled from each other, because this has the same charge, and the both of them are negative charges, so this has to be repelled. So let's try running the simulation. You can see it slowly gets away from each other. It's because both of them are negative, so it's get repelled. So yeah, so now let's try for two positive charges. Let me get my positive charges. I said that I have used red for positive charges. I'm going to change the okay, cool. Let's keep them closer to each other so you can see it's better. So I'm going to run the simulation. So same should happen for this one as well, because both of them are positive charges, and each of them has a one wait, each of them has a magnitude of 1 Coulomb. Yeah, I'm going to run the simulation. As you can see, just like before, they both of them getting away from each other. Now I have 4 charges, and the red ones are positive, the blue ones are negative. So the red one and the blue one should get attracted, and same should happen for these ones as well. So let me run the simulation. As you can see, the red and the blue charges got attracted to each other. The small simulation I created. So I'm going to link the GitHub repo in the description, so you guys can take a look at the code, and you can play with the code. So you can try adding multiple charges with different magnitudes. So yeah, have a great day. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next one. Bye.